In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the square root in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're double-checking a quick math result or building a worksheet for work or school, I'll walk you through 3 clear methods with simple examples so you can pick the one that fits your style. First, open Microsoft Excel. You can follow along in any workbook. These methods work the same across recent versions of Excel on Windows, Mac, and the web. Let's start with the best all-around option, the sqrt function. The syntax is each sqrt number. Click any empty cell, type sqrt 64, and press Enter. Excel immediately returns 8 because 8 times 8 equals 64. If your value is already stored in a cell, reference it instead of hard-coding the number. For example, if cell A1 contains 81, type each sqrt A1 and press Enter to get 9. This function expects a positive number. If you try a negative value, Excel will show a num error, so make sure your input is 0 or greater. Non-perfect squares are fine. Excel will return a decimal, which is exactly what you want for precise results. Now, the second method uses the exponent operator, also called the caret. In math, raising a number to the 1/2 power is the same as taking its square root. In Excel, that looks like x A1 also antos. Be sure to include the parentheses around 5, so Excel treats it as a fraction. For example, if A1 is 25, typing each A returns 5. This gives the same answer as sqrt, and it's handy when you're mixing powers in one formula or want to be consistent with other exponent calculations. The third method is the power function, which is simply the function version of the exponent operator. Its syntax is power, number, power. To get a square root, set the power to 100. So, if A1 is 49, enter 6 power A1 so and press Enter to get 7. Power is great for readability in longer formulas, especially when you or a teammate will revisit the file later. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you see a long decimal, that's just the precise square root. You can format the cell to show fewer decimal places if you prefer. If you get an error, double-check that the reference cell contains a number and not text, and confirm it isn't negative. That's it. 3 easy ways to calculate square roots in Excel: sqrt, the exponent operator, and power. Choose the one that fits your worksheet best. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.